Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes of 10 science-based benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Omega-3 is one of the essential fatty acids the body needs. The human body cannot produce these fats, so you should get this micronutrient from other sources. Taking omega-3 supplements is one of these ways. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you the 10 health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Reducing appetite. This fatty acid increases the body's metabolism and helps people lose weight. First of all, you should know that this acid can reduce appetite to a great extent. This makes people reluctant to eat. For this reason, taking this supplement can be useful for those who want to lose weight. A study showed that healthy people who are on a slimming diet and consume 1.3 grams of fish oil daily will not feel hungry for at least 2 hours after a meal. Omega-3 fish oil increases the amount of satiety hormone in obese people. Number 9. Reducing size. It is interesting to know that fish oil or omega-3, even if it does not help to lose weight, will definitely reduce the size and build muscle. Sometimes the number on the scales deceives you. For example, you have converted fat into muscle, but the scales show the same weight as before or even more weight. That is why it is said that instead of scales, body analysis and measuring the percentage of fats should be used. Therefore, consuming fish oil may not show your weightlessness on the scales, but it shows its effect on your clothes. Number 8. Doubling the effect of exercise. Taking these supplements doubles calorie burning and fat burning during exercise. This is because by consuming fish oil you have shifted to healthy fats to supply your energy during exercise instead of carbohydrates. The results of a study showed that women who consume omega-3 supplements burn 10% more calories and 19 to 27% more fat than others, which is 3 grams for 12 weeks. Number 7. Boosting metabolism. Metabolism is measured by the metabolic rate, which indicates the number of calories consumed per day. Metabolic rate means how much energy your body needs to survive. The higher your metabolism, the more calories you burn during the day. A study showed that healthy people who consumed 3 grams of fish oil during the day for 12 weeks, their metabolism increased by 14% or they burned 187 calories more than before. Number 6. Controlling inflammation. People with musculoskeletal disorders should include fish in their diet because research shows that one of the benefits of omega-3 is inflammation control in the joints is the skeletal muscle, which reduces joint and muscle pain. Therefore, it is emphasized to eat fish 2 to 3 times a week or to have omega-3 supplements. Depending on the weight, each person can consume 90 to 150 grams of fish in one meal. Although omega-3s are found in plant sources such as Portulaca oleracea, canola, flaxseed oil, and soybean oil, fish and seafood are arguably the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. The results of studies show that omega-3 fatty acids in fish have more favorable anti-inflammatory effects. Therefore, following a proper diet can greatly reduce patients' chronic pain and quality of life. Number 5. Fighting depression and anxiety. Depression is one of the most common disorders worldwide. Symptoms of this disorder include discomfort, lethargy, and many others. Anxiety, which is another common mental disorder, causes the patient to feel constantly anxious. Studies show that people who regularly consume omega-3 fatty acids have a lower risk of depression. In addition, studies have shown that the symptoms of people with depression who take omega-3 supplements have been improved. There are 3 types of omega-3 fatty acids: ALA, EPA, and DHA. Of these 3 acids, EPA seems to be the best at fighting depression. One study even found that EPA was as effective as conventional antidepressants. Number 4. Benefits for the eyes. Omega-3 can improve eye health. DHA, which is a type of omega-3, is the main component of the retina. If you do not get enough DHA, you may get vision problems. Adequate intake of omega-3 fatty acids is associated with a reduced risk of developing macular degeneration, which is a major cause of eye damage and permanent blindness. Number 3. Benefits for the brain. Omega-3 is well known for its ability to improve the health of the brain. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain development and the growth of infants. DHA makes up 40% of the polyunsaturated fatty acids in the brain and 60% of the retinal polyunsaturated acids. Therefore, it is not surprising that infants who take DHA have better eyesight. Getting enough omega-3s during pregnancy has many benefits for the fetus. Number 2. Fighting autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system mistakenly considered healthy cells as the enemy and fights with them. Type 1 diabetes is a type of autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Omega-3s can fight some of these diseases. That's why getting it is especially important in the first years of life. Studies show that getting enough omega-3 fatty acids during the first years of life is associated with a reduced risk of many autoimmune diseases, including type 1 diabetes. Omega-3 acids also help treat lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, and psoriasis. Number 1. Improving mental disorders. Omega-3 levels have been shown to be low in patients with mental disorders. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplements can reduce the frequency of mood swings in people with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. Also, taking omega-3 fatty acid supplements may help to decrease violent behaviors. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for maintaining overall health. If you do not eat a lot of seafood or fatty fish, you need to use omega-3 supplements. Using omega-3 is an easy but effective way to improve mental and physical health. In addition, the use of this substance can reduce the risk of disease. Do you use natural foods or supplements to get omega-3? What are the other benefits of omega-3 fatty acids? Share your experiences with us. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.